Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find the save game files for Grand Theft Auto 4 Complete Edition on your Windows PC. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows plus E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer opens, click This PC from the navigation panel on the left. Now open your local disk C. Inside the C drive, open the Users folder. Next, open the folder that has your Windows username. Once you're there, open the Documents folder. Inside Documents, open the Rockstar Games folder. Now open the GTA 4 folder. Next, open the Profiles folder. Inside the Profiles folder, you'll see one or more profile folders. Open the folder that corresponds to your Rockstar Games profile. This is where your Grand Theft Auto 4 Complete Edition save game files are stored. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Grand Theft Auto 4 tutorials, save file guides, and PC gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.